you all need to quit sports betting. Like seriously, like here's my Polymarket account. Portfolio $7,362. Cash $1,457. If you want to know what Polymarket is and you want to replicate my results, simple, just using Google Gemini and ChatGPT, then watch this video to the end. Let us start afresh and create a new account. What exactly is Polymarket and why is it better than your ordinary sports betting sites? The problem with sports betting is you can't really research things. No matter how much you research, it is mostly up to chance. Polymarket, on the other hand, it allows you to bet on things where research, your previous knowledge can help you a lot. How do you open an account? Can you open from any country? Is it only in the United States? You just click sign up, no matter where you are in the world. Type your email. A code is sent to your email, so you just go retrieve the code. You input the code, you pick a username, confirm you're not a US resident, no verification, no being told, oh, you don't qualify for this country. You're in. But how do you add money? You need money. You can fund it with crypto. You can fund it with your card. You can fund it with PayPal. But the one that has no limit, the best way to do this is to use crypto. You just choose crypto. I prefer to choose USDT. Then I prefer the Polygon network. I'm not going to go into detail on how exactly to transfer crypto here, but we have a video link in the description. You can also just check it out in your homepage about how to pay for anything with crypto. Watch that video in case you're stuck. Once you've deposited your money, how exactly do you decide what to bet on? This is really, really important. Most people fail at this specific point. There are two ways. The first one, the normal way. The second one, this one you need to stay for this one. The first way is to basically look at an area, a field that is something you're well versed with. Then you just go to the tech tab and there you'll find like loads of tech related bets. Like for example, when is OpenAI likely to IPO? Which company will have the best AI model end of February? Let's say economy is more, you'd say. Click on the economy and there are lots for economy here. By leveraging what you already know, you're simplifying things. You might as well capitalize on it. But the problem with that is that it's not bulletproof. Your research may be superficial. This next secret is what will make you $10,000 a month easily. What I want you to do is click on the filter. Then I want you to sort by liquidity. Why liquidity? We want bets that have a lot of money. That means like you can easily go in, go out. Like second thing, the last thing you want is your money to be stuck on a bet that will basically be resolved, I don't know, in 2027. Like the thing that you want is you want things that close really frequently. You may do something like look for daily if you want something that's really, really super fast. So US government shutdown Saturday. Today is on a Saturday. Will the US government shut down today? Yes or no? Will the supreme leader be out by today? Yes. You want something that will be cash out real quick. You've done two things. You've found the most liquid and you found something that will close real quickly. Then the next thing now is to look for something that's kind of researchable. Then after you do this, depending on how much money you've deposited, you really don't want to put all your money in one bet. You want to have several bets. Just pick any bet that you feel like, so long as it's liquid and so long as it closes real fast. It sounds really interesting. US strike on Somalia. If you say yes and you put $20, you will earn $2. If you say no and you put $20, you will get 166. But here's the thing, I don't want you to worry so much about that. Expand all the toggles. Then there are rules here. There's a description of everything. I want you to copy everything. You can just do Control A, Control Copy, or CMD copy, depending on what you're using. Then after you do that, I want you to go to ChatGPT. Refresh ChatGPT. Then click on the plus button. Select Deep Research. Paste all that text over here. This is our market on Polymarket about whether US is going to strike Somalia by February 7th. Tell me, what do you think? I want you to do deep research. Research all the different sources, any sources you can find, and then tell me what are the odds. If I wanted to place a bet on this specific bet, what exactly should I select? And press enter. ChatGPT will ask you a bunch of questions. Do you want me to include any official US government and military sources? Include them. Are you interested in just strike confirmation? Everything. In the end, I want you to arrive at a conclusion that place yes for this bet or no for this bet because of this and these reasons with the proper probability. Include public information, leaks, and confirm intelligence, everything. It will ask you a bunch of questions, answer all those questions, then enter. Then it will start doing its research. As it does its research, I want you to copy the answers you provided and also copy your first initial question just to be double sure. This is not absolutely necessary. You can just use ChatGPT alone if you want. But if you want to be absolutely certain, sure about your research and your results, then I like to double check it with Gemini. I'll go to Gemini 2, just refresh. It has a way of having lots of unnecessary bugs. Then select tools, deep research, Control V, select that too. The same thing you told ChatGPT is the same thing you're telling Gemini. I'm just going to choose Pro because I want the best possible deep research. ChatGPT is continuing with the research. It's looking at sources. Gemini will also think through it. Then it will ask you to basically confirm. After a while, Gemini will basically come up with a plan for you. You're going to tell it, yup, I like your plan. Start the research. This deep research thing takes a very, 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 very long time. It might even take up to 30 minutes. The Google one is also just starting. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the recording, then we'll come back after the research is done. Either way, you can run multiple of this in at a go. You can just do the same thing. Select another one, and then do the deep research in parallel. There's about to be a US government shutdown. You can basically do the same thing, select everything, and do deep research on it. This is especially cool if it's something you're not familiar with. Just let the research continue. I'll go for a break, and then I'll come back once it's done. It took roughly around 5 minutes. You can see here's the Gemini report. You can roughly go through this and then understand what it's saying. We're talking of a probability of almost 100% of it happening. And what is ChatGPT saying? ChatGPT likes having errors. I just refresh it so that it shows up. The ChatGPT report says it's extremely strong. Both of them concur that basically if you put yes, you almost guarantee that's the case. Select it, put an amount, just click and the bet will be placed. Come back, repeat the same over and over for a different one. Sort by liquidity. If you want to make lots of money, you can try and look for something that the odds are really, really low, where it's not clear who exactly is the winner. Maybe even something like this. Deep research, you don't even have to worry about whether you know what it is about. If you're to bet 20, you'll win 76. If you're to bet 20, you'll win $6. You can do this, repeat deep research, place a bet over and over again. This strategy has a little itty bitty of risk. If you're looking for something with like zero risk, then check out this video over here on how you can use Binance to make money, no trading involved, with zero, like zilch, zero risk.